scared yet?
I'm going to enjoy cutting you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a very nerve-wracking video. It's exciting though, but scary, so scary. So I've been contemplating about cutting my hair. I've got pretty long hair and it's getting to a point where it's too long. Like it goes in between my butt crack when I shower. I've got to take my hair out of the way when I want to go to the toilet. Everyone's just like, if they give me a hug, like I get stuck everywhere and it's becoming a problem. Like as much as I love my hair, I really do love my hair. Everyone that knows me in person knows I've had long hair since forever, and cutting my hair, oh, I've done it 2 times and every time I cry. So but it's time. I've been dealing with a lot of emotional stuff recently, well, not recently, you can almost say like for the past year, and it's been really hard on me, and I've reached a point where I feel I need something new. I need to do something to move on in my life, if that makes any sense. But I won't bore you with that stories. It's not what this video is about. So I don't trust hairdressers. I'm sorry, I'm saying it. I'm not one. I have been cutting my hair all my life myself because of that reason. But if there is a hairdresser that I do trust, it is Mondo. Obviously, he's like thousands of miles away from me, so I cannot go to him for a haircut. So I'll take the second best option, which is following one of his hair cutting tutorials. So I'll be following along. I know he says, if you want a blunt haircut, don't cut your hair yourself.
If you're trying to do a very blunt haircut yourself at home, girl, just stop trying. It's not gonna happen. It's not.
Guess what I'm doing? I don't know if it's gonna fit my face frame because I've picked up a lot of weight from the stress I've been dealing with. But right now, that is not my main concern. I just want to get my head back into the right place before I start worrying about anything else. So let's just do it. I'll show you a quick before what my hair looks like so we can have a nice before and after shot. As you can see, it is long. So I'm literally not even styling it anymore. It is just, today is a special occasion. I straightened my hair because you've got to have straight hair, and I'm not cutting wet, I'm cutting dry. Sorry for the hairdressers out there, sorry Brad, but I'm cutting dry. I want to see what this looks like. I don't want to make any oopsies, so I feel confident with dry hair. So let's just watch like bits and pieces of his video. Obviously, I have gone through the whole video. I don't want to bore you, make this video too long. He did say to do 4 sections, but you can do 6. I'm kind of thinking I want to go for 6 sections just to, I don't know. I'm scared. So let's do 6.
We're 4 sections. We're using 4 sections, not 2. That's right.
Okay, first things first is to make sure, I've got a mirror off to the side, by the way. I don't want to screw this up, so sorry if I'm looking off that way the whole time. Is make an even parting just straight down my head. There we've got 2 big sections. I'm definitely not cutting 2. Then he says to find the temple of your head, which is the highest point, or the crown.
So we're gonna go to the top of the head, and you're gonna lay your comb on there, and you're gonna find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm gonna take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down.
This is mine. And drag it down to behind your ears. So that is my sectioning for that. There's just too much hair to work with. Okay, so I'm just gonna clip this first part out of the way. Okay, so when doing the front, he did say not to pull forward, but rather to the sides of your shoulder to try and keep to keep it as straight as possible. So it lies nice and flat, but because I'm going so short, I don't have to worry about the length and keeping it nice and straight. I'm going to keep it relatively close. I was thinking of having it touch like the line of my shoulder, like right there maybe. I have to like think this through very, very clearly now. I'm not even starting to cut yet and I'm like sweating, like stressing. Now comes the hard part, the back of the hair. And he says to always try and keep straight down. So that means I'm going to have to kind of hold my head here while making this ponytail. Should I just gone to the hairdressers? I literally even asked my friend to do it. She's a professional hairdresser. And she literally replied, Monique, you know you always have long hair and you're going to regret it, so just don't cut it. I can't see shit! That's a lot of hair, guys. That is like literally more than twice the amount of hair on my head right now. Oh, shit.
Are you scared yet?
Okay, this is it. I've got some proper hair cutting scissors. Oh, shit. Oh, my word. Okay. Oh, shit. Wait, why is my hair so thick? This is gonna ruin the cut. Oh, shit. This feels so wrong. It feels like I've got ghost hair. Okay, I did it, so I'm gonna have to finish. Ooh. Okay, let's just do this side real quick. That's a lot of hair. That's literally more. That's longer. I made a mistake. So this was a fail, a complete fail actually. I'm just gonna finish up like the instructions from Brad, and then I'm gonna go in section by section and neaten this shit out because it turned into an A-line bob. It is much shorter in the back than it is in the front, but my hair is very thick, so oh, this feels so weird. I've never felt this in my life before. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'll get used to it. It's just, it's been, this is all I've known my whole life was this. This is a shit ton of hair, by the way. This is a lot. This really is a lot of hair. I am very upset, I'm sad, I'm emotional, but at the same time, I'm feeling the change and it feels kind of nice. Okay, I think I'm done faffing with it. I've went in and I've cut so much and tried to make the lines more clear and I've done Brad Mondo's little layering thing 2 times, so I do have some layered pieces as well. I am going to leave my hair for now because if I'm gonna keep cutting, I'm gonna cut it all off. But it's definitely something new. I'm not used to this, but I'll make it work. Maybe put some makeup on, style it a bit for the end result shot. But I've got no idea how straight this is at the back. Probably not. I do feel it's making like a little arch going down, but I might keep it actually. Then again, I don't know what this looks like, but I'm gonna have my dad help me tonight and just make it, you know, if there's something weird, just fix it up. But I feel light. I feel very light. I'm gonna have to make friends with this hair. It does make my face look a little bit more round, but it's time for a change. It really is time for a change. So I might just curl my hair for the next shot and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I cut off so much hair, by the way. Like, this is just so sad. There's so much. Bye. Okay, so let's chat. First question, am I happy? No. Can you blame me? I've had long, luscious hair all my life and it's all gone. So the first shower I had, I did not know how much shampoo to use, how much conditioner to use. It felt weird not feeling my hair on my back. Blow drying my hair, I had no idea what I was doing. Curling my hair, I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. So I'll literally have to research how to curl, how to style short hair. I do miss my hair so much, but there was a reason that I cut my hair though, so I'm gonna stick with it. I don't have a choice, but just finding myself as a new person at this stage of my life is very important to me. So I cut it like 2 centimeters too short than what I wanted it. I wanted, okay, maybe more than 2. I wanted it there, but you know what? It'll grow and I'll keep the shape that I want. And just have it go a little bit longer, like literally just there. That's what I wanted. So, but yeah, I'll get used to it, I suppose. But this is the new me. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe if you do want to cut your hair, maybe go to the salon instead of cutting it yourself like me. But okay. Bye.